Hello students, on behalf of K. Group of Colleges, I welcome you all on this YouTube channel. Today I will teach you Management Account of SAM 6. And this subject, today I revise the first unit, that is Marginal Costing. So the first question is, what is marginal costing? Marginal costing is the ascertainment of cost and effect on profit of changes of volume or types of output by differentiating between fixed cost and variable cost. In simple language, any change in the total cost of production by increase or decrease of one unit of production is termed as marginal cost. Marginal cost is the change between production of one unit. In marginal costing, there are some concepts which we'll learn one by one. So the first one is BEP. That means break even point. Break even point means a level at which company neither on profit nor a loss. Break-even analysis refers to the ascertainment of level of operation where the total revenue equals to total cost. In simple language, total income is equal to total expense. Break-even point is the situation at which company has no profit, no loss situation. In break-even analysis means analysis of cost, production, volume and the profit relationship. In marginal costing, various formula is used. So the first one is break even point. If you want to find the BEP in units, then the formula is BEP is equal to fixed cost divided by S minus V. Whereas BEP is equal to break even point, S is equal to selling price per unit and V is equal to variable expense per unit. If you want to find the BEP in rupees, then the formula is fixed cost divided by PVR, whereas PVR is equal to profit volume ratio. Second concept is contribution. If you want to find the contribution, the formula is S minus V, whereas S is equal to selling price and V is equal to variable cost. Next concept is profit volume ratio. PVR means a percentage between sales and contribution. The formula for PVR is contribution divided by sales multiplied by 100. That means C upon S multiplied by 100. In marginal costing, there are some hierarchies. If you want to find the profit, we follow the hierarchies. First of all, we have the sales. We deduct the variable cost from then and that we get the contribution. After getting the contribution, we deduct the fixed cost from that and then finally we get the profit or loss. So the next concept is margin of safety. Margin of safety means actual sales is more than to break even sales and the difference between both are known as margin of safety. The formula for MOS is equal to actual sales minus BEP, whereas MOS is equal to margin of safety and BEP is equal to break even point. Last concept of this chapter is desired profit or desired loss. If you want to find the desired profit regarding to the desired sales, then the following formula is used. Desired sales is equal to fixed cost plus desired profit divided by contribution. We also use the fixed cost plus desired profit divided by S minus V. S minus V, finally we get the contribution. So ultimately we get the desired profit or desired loss for the company. I hope you guys understand the basic formula of marginal costing. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you.